Hello Shamanettes, it's Suzanne, the Beauty Shaman. So this is my first ever holiday gift guide. Yay! I'm very excited to bring to you 3 different stores with different discounts for you to look into for stocking stuffers and gifts for Christmas. And for those of you who want to have this information more consistently, please sign up for my newsletter where I give a lot of insider deals, information, tutorials, offers, things like that that are very unique to my newsletter. So please go on my website. You'll see a pop-up, sign up for that. Having said that, you can click down below to get all the links for everything I'm going to talk about today. I have some wonderful, wonderful gifts and discounts that you do not want to miss. These are things that I use, that I really like. These are vendors that I have vetted. I'm very impressed with all of them. I'm also going to talk about Holy Grail items that I absolutely love, that I use every single day on myself and on talent that I work with. So as we go through these, I'll be telling you what I think of each one of them. Okay, let's get going. Okay, so the first store I'm going to talk about is my store. It's thebeautyshaman.com. So use the code SHAMAN20 to get 20% off everything in my store, which includes bundles. So this is important. I have bundles on my site, which include things like my Transdermal C serum from Truth Treatment, which is my top selling item. I love this serum, best serum on the market, hands down. And also the Transdermal C balm, which I absolutely love too. This is a phenomenal, if you have dry skin, the Transdermal C balm is second to none, as well as the omega-6 cream. A lot of these items are included in bundles. The bundles are already discounted. Things like the dry skin bundle, the sensitive skin bundle, hyperpigmentation bundle. So do check those out, because then you can get those bundle prices at a 20% off as well. And of course, my top selling device, which is this is a little bit loved. This is my personal one, but this is a microcurrent device from Truth Treatments, which gets underneath the skin, tightens up the muscles. It's a home kit. It's phenomenal. I use it every single day. I also carry Jane Iredale, so I have lipsticks. I have the matte lipsticks, which are awesome. I absolutely love these. Lip liner pencils, the Jane Iredale eyeshadows. This is one of them. This is the one I have on. This is Pure Basics. I love this. I think it's beautiful, great for the fall and wintertime with all of those warm tones. So everything in my store, Jane Iredale and Truth Treatments, is all discounted for Black Friday all the way through Cyber Monday. So do take advantage of that. And if you would like for me to wrap your gift, have your gift wrapped, please let me know in the comment section. When you put in the code SHAMAN20, there'll be a little section there for you to write something to me. Okay? Awesome. Okay, so the second sale I'm going to talk about is the City Beauty buy one, get one free. It's BOGO sale. This sale goes from 11/26 to the 29th. I have my cheat sheet down here. This includes all of their lipsticks and lip glosses. And if you watch my channel, you know I've done a few videos for them. Their products are great. Everything I've used has been wonderful. Specifically, these are great for stocking stuffers. These are 3 of them that I have here. This is their City Lips, which I have this one on here. This is Crimson. I just love it. The glosses especially don't spread, which I don't know how they manage that. Well, I have this on along with the nude lip liner from Jane Iredale, which is on my website. But I love both of these together. And as you can see, it's just beautiful, right? Such a gorgeous color. They have a wonderful array of colors. So I highly recommend checking this out for gifts for people. I'll put links down below. You have to use a code CL50, capital CL50. I'll put that all down below. Please check that out. Okay, so the last sale I want to talk about is Skin Store / Derm Store. They basically are the same store, but I've done some work with them and I've also been very impressed with them. They have a wide array of products, which makes them a wonderful place to go and do Christmas shopping and stocking stuffer shopping. I want to talk about some of the items which are a bit more spendy, right? And other ones that are a lot more affordable. It just depends on you and where you're at financially and how much you want to spend. I'm going to run through these. I think there's just so many. I'm just going to run through the ones that I personally have used, that I like. Okay, so everything I'm going to show you, the majority of what I'm going to show you is discounted. And then if you follow the link below and use my code, you will get an added 10% off the sale price. Okay, so the first thing I want to show you is this one. This is the Foreo facial cleaner. I really love this. This actually connects to an app on your phone and you can change the settings on this through your phone. You can actually get it set up like I have and then you don't have to go on the app. But when I turn it on, it goes on with the strength I want and also with the amount of time. It lets you know how long okay, you're done with this side of your face, go to this side of your face. So kind of cool because I tend to just rush through things. It's my tendency in life. So this helps me slow down. And it also, with these lovely cleaning bristles, really gets into your skin and really cleans your skin. So I really love this device. This is actually, I think it's $200 and it is now 50% off. So, and then you get an extra 10% if you use my code. So, wonderful device. Okay, this one's also kind of spendy. This is the PMD Microdermabrasion Home Device. This is 25% off. Wonderful device. This actually, I use this once a week and it helps so I don't have to go to an esthetician to have my microdermabrasion done. I can do it at home. It's very effective. It's actually very strong. I have to be careful because sometimes I've used it on too high of a setting and then it's too much. So pay attention to the settings on this one. It is very, very strong. So you really have to be careful, but it does work. It is phenomenal. I really do love this. And I don't go to an esthetician. I'm actually an esthetician, but I go to one because, who doesn't want a little self-care? But having said that, this is I don't need to because I have this. So these are great gifts, 25% off. One of my favorite brands besides Truth Treatments is Image Skincare. So this is their Vital Seed line. This is the oil and this is the moisturizer. I really, really love this brand. I think it does a phenomenal job. You also get an additional 5% off using my code, but still that's 20% off of Image. And Image doesn't really do a lot of heavy duty sales. Another Image product that I love is the 30 SPF. This is awesome. I use this a ton. I use it on talent a lot and myself. It holds up really, really well. Isn't too heavy underneath makeup. Those are the 3 products that I grabbed, but the ones that I use the most and I really like. But there's a lot of different types of skincare on there. So do go check them out for that. But it's 15% off. So one of the eyeshadow palettes I use a lot in videos is Kevin Aquan. This is it right here. It's called Focused. So this is lovely. It's just a lot of neutrals. Hopefully that stays up. There we go. So you can see the neutrals in there. It's just very usable, very wearable. It has a little gold cream shadow in there as well. So this is 25% off plus a 10% off using my code. So Stila is also an extra 30% off on Skin Store. So this is the one that I really love. It's a lovely kind of brown with flecks of gold in it. This one's called Lionfish. I use this all the time. I really love it. It's a really nice soft brown with flecks of gold. I have it on. I love it because it's water repellent and I tend to go for water repellent or waterproof eye pencils because everything runs on me. It's just, I don't know, I'm really hard on eye pencils or something. I don't know what it is. It's called Smudge Stick. So if you're looking for Smudge Stick in Lionfish, this is great. They also have lots of different colors in the particular smudge mix. Okay, so Color Science is 30% off plus 10, which is really awesome. So I like Color Science. I use this a ton. This is one of my absolute holy grails. I go to this all the time. They have different color ranges. So this is the one that I picked, but there's a lot of different color ranges that they have in this particular spread. I like it because it's very condensed. I use this one on my eyebrows. Also has a warm brown and some rosier tones, slightly kind of pinky peachy color. I find these really usable. They hold up really well. It's not a super spendy item. This is great for stocking stuffers, so, All right, Ilamasqua, also on Skin Store. This is 35% off plus 10%. So I got this one. They come in lots of different shades on this particular brand. You can check it out on their site, but I liked this one because I really love the coppers and rich kind of warm tones on this side, as well as the purples. So I just tend to use those colors a lot, but again, lots of different variants of that. Okay, so this is one of my holy grails. It's Kojendo. I really love Kojendo foundation. This is moisture foundation. I love this for mature skin. It does not set in fine lines. It holds up. It's absolutely gorgeous. When you put it on, you're in love. So I love this one. I also love their concealer, same moisture concealer. I have this one on as well. I have both of these on right now. So I love these. I love how well they hold up all day long. And they really do, the concealer really covers without looking heavy, which that's what it's all about, right? With concealers, I've actually can cover my age spot on this side with that. So they have really good coverage as well as just being so creamy. So love these. Okay, so there's 2 things I don't have in front of me, but I think you might be interested in. One is their Estee Lauder. All their Estee Lauder is on sale. If you're an Estee Lauder fan, I would say, oh my God, go run. So they're 25% off. And then Revitalash. If you're a Revitalash fan, I know many of you are, that is 20% off plus an extra 5% if you use my code. So that's phenomenal. So I think all of these sales are just, you got to get it while it's hot. They're all during different time spans. So please go down below and check it out. Some of them are only from Friday through Monday. Some extend all the way into kind of early December. So really check it out according to what you want to buy in those 3 stores. My sale in particular goes until Thursday through Cyber Monday. So the City Beauty is the 26th through the 29th. And Skin Store goes from the 29th until the 30th or early December, like December 1st. So I hope this has been helpful. This is a lot of information, a lot of great products, but again, I'm only sharing what I love. I really wish all of you a wonderful Thanksgiving, and I send you love from the bottom of my heart. Please let me know if you have any questions about any of this. I will definitely respond down below in the comments section. Thank you so much for watching The Beauty Shaman, and happy Thanksgiving!